What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we are back testing. Sorry that I didn't post for the past 2 days. I just didn't really feel like it. I still back tested though. I was just refining my strategy mostly though. I just didn't feel like videoing because I'm a bot. But yeah, you can. I think I might be done. Yeah, I have to make a new session. But this is nasty, bro. Yeah, but that's from yesterday. I don't know how I took a break even. Should I name it? We'll do, let's do September 1st to today. Ow. Ugh. Nasty boy. My god, I have to configure all this shit again. Or just get this shit off my screen. Hey. Okay. So, bullish. So we're not far from all-time highs here, but well, we're in a retracement leg anyway, so we're gonna want to be bearish today, as we can see. What most likely happened here. Made our all-time high. We get our retracement leg. Coming down to take these lows, probably for our liquidity sweep. We have this inefficiency here that we want to come up and fill, and then we didn't exactly make ourselves a new high. So, probably because of the lack of liquidity I was actually taking. So, I'm assuming that if we want to continue higher, we're going to have to take these lows. Probably, I mean, we could take both of them. I'll probably just have my target as this one here, but we have a lot of these daily lows stacked up. This inefficiency filled, so all that's left for us to do is take liquidity, and then, well, it depends. If we want to retrace higher and then go down, or if we want to continue our bullish trend here. Obviously been bullish. We need to take liquidity so we can get back higher if we want to, but we're already bearish, so I'm just going to be shorting down to these lows anyway. So it is a Tuesday, so we got high impact at 10. We got PMI. 4 hour, obviously bearish. Gaps are getting respected. This one just got inversed. Have all these wick lows. So what I'm hoping that we don't do, I hope that we retrace higher first. Maybe we take this high here, tap into our hourly gap, this gap here. We've been bearish for a while, so we're kind of due for a bigger retracement. If we want to go lower, probably gonna retrace higher, take some of this shit out, and then I'll be looking at shorts here. But if we just rip down and take all this, then well, there are fair value gaps higher, some inefficiencies higher that we can retrace back up to. Overall, I'm bearish. So we'll see how market open plays out. We are chopping a little bit. That's kind of a sign that maybe price is trying to retrace higher so we can take some shit out before we go lower to these lows here. Okay, no, we rip down and take that off the rip. Okay. Now, was that our liquidity target for the day, or do we want to go lower? Well, right now it's looking like that might have been our target. What the fuck am I hearing, bro? Yeah. Judging by how strongly we reacted from taking that low, that might have been the target. Come in!
Alright, bud, Dad and I'll be back.
Where you going? Oh.
The Bears game. Joe got Dad and I tickets. I feel bad. I don't want to not go. But then I'm like, fuck. We're getting home super late. I have to work in the morning. So just remember to set the alarm, okay?
Okay.
If you guys need anything, call. I know you guys will be fine. You're always by yourself, but just in case. I love you.
Love you.
How's your arm?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably just gonna ice it again today.
Yeah.
I've been having, when I touch like here,
Is it tender?
yeah, it's like some
You
pain.
might have snapped a tendon. Take some ibuprofen.
Okay.
I love you.
Love you. Okay. Dude, all my shit just deactivated. Nice. So, looking higher, we have this unfilled 1 hour gap. So if this truly was our liquidity target for the day in order to fuel a move higher, the odds that we come up and hit this gap are very high. Even this gap here. But overall, I think for me, might be looking to see a bit more confirmation. Honestly, if we can inverse this 15-minute, that would be pretty nice. Looks like we might be on track to get this one out of the way here. But overall, yeah, when we took that and then we reject so strongly. There are these gaps. Let's see. On the daily, there's not really anything to work with. We have seen this gap get respected. This bullish, this one that displaced through, and then, so this could be an instance here where we're having a little stop hunt off the IFVG, and we could see after this, when we move higher, we could see that the day finishing still respecting that gap, which would be good if I want to be bullish in the future. But we're thinking about right now, so let's see. Oh yeah, and then PMI. So I can't trade before 10. That's just my preference. Might be looking at a closure above this. Okay, that's our news. So we clearly, when we took this daily low, super strong reaction up. We have this 4-hour closure here, huge reaction, creating this 4-hour gap which needs to get filled despite where we're going. If we want to go lower, we're going to have to hit it. If we want to go higher, obviously, we're going to get in there. So let's see here. Now we're inside of a 1-hour bearish gap, but there's just this huge inefficiency here. I'd like to see that get hit. I can see longs up to that playing out. We just inverse that 15-minute gap, 30-minute gap, yes. But we're inside of these bearish gaps now. So on the hour and everything below, there's this gap here, as you can see. We also just took out that high that's forming the gap. We can get rid of that. We know inverse. Judging off this reaction though, let me, okay, we took our data low. Let's see, we're in a fair value gap. We need a strong reaction off of this. Kind of crawling down right now. Now, we might be looking at this 5-minute. We had to tap this 5-minute to get a reaction. Okay. Let's see. It's also the 15-minute getting tapped. So it looks like we have these data highs up here too. Okay. So overall, these two gaps inverse from this V shape took our liquidity out. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna rebalance our range. So let's see here. Hold on. Oh, not the week. No, day. So in terms of daily crap here, swing high. Well, actually, I have to go to the most recent swing high. I guess we could consider that to be it. So if we go up and touch this gap, then we go back into premium, which could mean that we will. That could be what we need to do in order to go lower. And then if we want to go higher, obviously we're going to hit it. I don't really see a reason why we wouldn't go higher here. I think it might be a nice opportunity for a little long here. It's just we really crawled through that 5-minute gap. We tapped this one though, and we got an instantaneous reaction, and then the same on the 15-minute. We've been bearish so long though, I don't really want to trade against the trend. Kind of chopping. Okay, yeah. So, yeah. I mean, overall, we did sweep liquidity. We could have gone up to this 4-hour gap, but for me to trade against a strong bearish trend and try and long up to a gap, I don't know. Through our bearish gaps too. We hit that one. Ugh. Let me see what we do there. If we actually do go higher. So we come back down. And yep, we go higher. So we eventually do tap back into premium and we tap that gap. Let's see. We didn't tap it, we're inside of it. And we're clearing it. Clearing this 4-hour gap. So, judging from what I saw yesterday on our daily chart. Okay, so now this is looking a bit better. Huge reaction from taking liquidity here. We're still rejecting this fair value gap here. Still haven't cleared it. So now, logically, this 4 hours cleared. Okay, 4-hour gap here respected. So looks like we're shifting into bullish structure here. We got, this is our huge reaction that we had the other day from taking that day low. So what do we have now? We have gaps above, but a lot of them have already been filled. We do have that. I could see us revisiting this gap here today. And then this gap is being hit right now. It's not present on our 1-hour charts. But let's see. So I'm gonna be longs today. There's all this crap above. Let's see. If we go from swing to swing here, so we are in a premium, so we could see, we have to be cautious looking for if we want to move back down here. But when we've been so bearish, or not so bearish, so bullish, I don't think we're going to do that. I think this gap has been holding for so long, it's like, and then we do take this low out, but this is like an actual low. Didn't take that. We took our liquidity, we reject off it. So next thing we're gonna do is correct our imbalances, our inefficiencies. Now there is this hourly gap, which could, if we see that get respected, that'll confirm our bullish trend. It's lows there too, some stacked lows. Our London lows and Asia lows are pretty far away, so I doubt they'll get hit. If they do, that would be kind of crazy. Okay, tapped into that gap. Okay, so we're searching for liquidity even lower. Price wants to go lower and take something out. I don't know what. Wicking really hard. We have 8:15. Wait, no. Today's Wednesday. So we didn't really have news. Okay. So, dude, if we actually draw down to our London lows and our Asia lows, that would be kind of crazy. Because that's our most prominent low. If we're actually going to go all the way down there. Maybe we're just trying to correct both of these imbalances and then we can go higher. We were kind of due for a large retracement. We accumulate, manipulate. Our first 15-minute close is bearish. Still respecting our gap. Still inside this 1 hour gap. We've been kind of just floating there. Didn't really leave gaps on the way down. If we can get an instantaneous reaction off that 15-minute gap, that's ideal. We're still trying to go lower. No, are we though? We're just really choppy. Although, okay. So we inverse this gap with that 15-minute closure, but now we're shooting up. This 1 hour got inversed too. It looks like though, so we did tap this 1 hour. Now we're reacting. Okay, so now we're looking at something here. So our first hourly gap didn't hold, but there was one below it, which did. And now we have this gap here. Looks like we're about to come back up. But now this 4 hour candle is telling us we're rejecting off of this high gap. But it looks like we're going to try and go back up right now. Now, thing is here, we got a retracement leg in, and these inefficiencies created are mitigated now. So what we can do, well, we're probably going to seek out liquidity. So we just took that. I mean, closest thing, this high here, this hourly high. But we're inside of this 4 hour gap right now. But there's already one 4 hour gap that just... Okay, so here's where you have to really ask yourself, is this bullish trend really what we're doing? I mean, we've been bullish, but are we flipping structure now? Because we saw this high fail to take out all-time high. I mean, that happens. You get your retracements. It's just hard when you took out that liquidity and then you get such a strong reaction to the upside. It's kind of hard to look at this and be like, yeah, we're not bullish. But I feel like when you're looking at it, we are still just kind of chopping. So I mean, honestly, I don't feel confident in the long, and that's exactly why, bro. And then we're just going to go back up, slow down again, and then we're probably just going to shoot back down. Maybe not. We crawl up and grab that high. What time is it? We got 20 minutes left. So even if we did come down and take out some liquidity here, maybe we didn't get a strong and instantaneous reaction up like we saw the other day. that gap, our hourly gap got tapped and respected. Let's see if we react off of taking that high that we had. We don't. In fact, we keep shooting up inside this 1 hour gap. Yeah, I'm probably just not taking a trade. It's too late for that now. Let's just see what price does. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, that was probably the liquidity target. And then we had that 1 hour gap there that wanted to get filled. And now we're continuing to go lower. So it's looking like this bullish movement could have been simply a retracement, or we're just getting a reaction. Yeah. We're leaving. So yeah.
Hey, are you done with therapy?
No, I have another session. Not this Thursday, but next Thursday.
Okay, so Monday we'll ask the doc whether or not you still need to go.
Oh, really?
What does
Monday.
physical therapy think? Like, do you think it's still worth it?
I've been doing the same crap over and over.
So, we'll ask the doctor, when's your next one?
It's gonna be after we're going, I think, because you said it's appointments on Monday.
Appointment's Monday.
Not this, yeah, next Monday. Yeah, so it's gonna be the Thursday of that week. I've already got, I think, 2 or 3 sessions.
So he's gonna look at range of motion, strength, all that stuff. I mean, if he's six months, I don't know what more physical therapy is doing for you.
Yeah. And there's nothing I do in physical therapy that I can't do at the gym. Okay. Oh yeah, day's over. Okay, so another no trades day, but I mean, really, what I've really been trying to do is just I'm not looking for trades. I want to see something happen right in front of my eyes. Be like 100% confident. 100% confidence in my trades. That's what I'm looking for. Don't care how many I take in a session. I don't give a shit if I only get 1 in a session, as long as it's a winner. High taken. So off of taking that Asia high, obviously we react, and now we're kind of in bearish structure. So that might prove to be pretty good for me, because let me see. What's the consensus here? So we didn't do a whole lot the other day. Yeah, that liquidity at the start of the week. The only problem is that there wasn't anything to do. There's nothing to do here on the lower time frame, though. On the 4 hour, still that gap, still this gap. We're still bullish. Still have this high right here. Yet to be taken. I can see that getting taken. Hour. Looking bullish. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So right now, I'd say we are in a pretty good position to go sweep our session lows and then see a move higher. We're still respecting that 30-minute gap. I'd say yeah, in this retracement leg here on the lower time frame. This 4-hour candle has been bearish. Our day is still bullish. I'm looking for longs, I'd say. Most likely. Unless maybe I don't know if that could happen fast enough, but if we go up and then take that high, this high, tap or gap, and then we just get a huge rejection down, that would be something that could happen. I don't think it will though, we're so bullish, but we'll see. Want to see a displacement down. We're not getting it. Okay. We have PMI again. So I'm not trading before 10. Our 8:15 candle. Of course, news did nothing again. Though we do have a data high. Okay. I think it's taken. Okay, so off the rip, we're taking that high. Tapping our gap, taking that high. Wow, okay. And then we're rejecting hard. Okay. Now this. Did I not say that I could see that happening? Well, okay. So, overall, I mean, on the daily, bro, why does the 4-hour never load? Oh my god. On the daily, we saw the all-time high get created, and when we got what we thought was this retracement leg, well, we retrace up, we don't actually make a new high, and then we're trying to go lower. Now we did react strongly off taking liquidity, but we just got a huge reaction off of tapping that gap and taking those highs. Now it could be a correction for doing this, or we could actually be seeing a move lower to take these lows. That could have been the liquidity target for the day, and then we just instantly took it. But I don't want our London low to be the liquidity target either, in case we get a move higher. Okay, we're getting a retracement here. Let's see, what do we have on the higher time frames? On the 3-minute, nothing. We don't have anything. Although, oh, I fucked that up. Use our retracement tool. We're back in premium. Tapping this 1-minute gap. Reject. No. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We keep correcting our movements down. Was that really the move of the day? We just come out and sweep those highs and then we're done? Okay. We have our PMI candle at 10, which did jack shit. Okay, we got somewhat... So we got the reaction off taking those lows. Okay, so what that is telling me, there is something lower. Either we're gonna be bearish now, because, dude, why doesn't the 4-hour load? Oh my god. Now, I am trading. Yeah, there's really nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do here. I'd be trading straight into a 1 hour bullish gap. There's nothing I can do. We swept our London and Asia lows, but we didn't get reaction up. When we did this, when we swept liquidity here, it looks like we're gonna be bearish. We got our liquidity target, but I'm not trading directly into an hourly bullish gap. I just can't do that, bro. Now we might be going higher. Gap inverse on the 5. On the 15, we've corrected our move down. But we don't have a lot to target anymore. We'd just be going back into this void with this gap here. We set this new high. Perhaps. Well, if we look at it this way, price swept liquidity so that we could go lower and correct our inefficiency, so then we could go higher. If you look at it that way, that makes longs more appealing, but there's nothing really to target unless you count our New York session high as like a good target. I don't think really that it is. Just not doing a whole lot. Yeah, okay. Let's see now, what do we... So we would have, yeah, if I waited, we would have took that. But, yeah, I mean, it's whatever. Man, I should have gone with my gut. I should have saw this and been like, yep, now we're going to go to our London and Asia lows. But, yeah, I should have just gone with the gut there. It's whatever, bro. I wasn't confident in it. Okay, now we're going to continue being bullish. So hopefully, when I go through time here, now hopefully when I look at the daily here, I'm gonna actually get some confluence to go off of. From what I've seen already, we're obviously looking pretty bullish. And we got a huge move here at 8:30. We had to have had 8:30 moves. So 8:30, yeah, we had a ton of news at 8:30, which left our data lows. Okay. And then that's it. So, let's see what we got. Okay, on the daily, yeah. So obviously, now I'm actually looking at something here. Now we're seeing something. We have all-time highs above as our draw on liquidity. Well, not as our draw, as a target, potentially. We can see, what did we do this week? Swept liquidity, just boom, up. And then, that's really all there is to it. I don't know why the 4 hours still just won't load. Most valuable time frame. Okay, now it does. 4 hour is extremely bullish. We have all this shit to take out. Okay. At this point, there's no reason to be bullish. Because even looking at it like, oh, we're trying to take liquidity out so we can go lower. Retracements don't typically go that high. we're trying to seek liquidity. I mean, we've already blown past this high, and obviously we're not reacting. So I can be safe to assume that we are bullish. Oh. Okay. Now we have our data wick down here. We have Asia lows. So the liquidity that we have available to take out, it's not much. It's pretty far away. And I create the box. I just tap the box. Come on. 15-minute gap. Very close. So off rip, I mean, there's shit that we can take out. Just these tiny lows. I mean, they're nothing special like this data low or this session low from Asia. But there's really absolutely just no reason to be anything but bullish right now. I mean, in my personal opinion, like literally no reason. And I'd be stupid to do anything but take a long. So, I mean, really, all that I want to see is displaced down, unless we want to trend off the rip. But we're chopping right now, so we might be looking at a displacement down and then just up and away. Let's see. Displace down. So do we? Okay, there's that 5-minute gap there. Coming close to tapping that other 15-minute gap. I prefer to be respecting. Okay. So what we're going to be looking at most likely, let's see. So we took out some low resting liquidity during that displacement. Oh, that's okay. Well, the 15-minute candle closure says we reject off that gap. And then it might just be, this might just be a stop hunt for our IFVG. Okay, well, we retest, we failed to make a new low. I like how this looks. I think this wick is very telling. We wicked into that 30-minute too. 3-minute, 1 minute. At this point, I don't think there's a reason to go lower. Hey, does all my shit keep turning off? Oh my god, I'm gonna get pissed off, bro. All my crap keeps turning off. What's with that eye? It's off again, bro. I don't know why. What's up with my computer? So, what we're seeing now is that there's other liquidity lower that we want to take out. Because we weren't able to get a strong reaction off taking any of this crap to make us move higher and get a continuation of our trend. So what I'm going to look for, we do have kind of relative equal lows right there. That's a 5-minute wick low. Other than that, is there really anything? Okay, we take it. like we want to go lower. Okay. Our data wick is right there. Can we take the data wick? Yes, we can. We took our Asia lows. Let's get an instant. Wow, okay. So we don't get an instant reaction, which is telling us that we want to go even lower. What could we go lower to, bro? We're inside this 4-hour gap now. Wait, bro, is this the... Am I doing this shit again? Yeah, I caught this. Bro, what? I caught this when I was forward testing? I guess my strategy's changed. Bro. I don't think we're gonna do anything. There's still some shit lower that's trying to fucking seek out, bro. I don't know what more that it wants. We're just not doing anything now. Damn it, bro. There was nothing for us to take out because of our bullish trend. Bro, what the heck? That's a bummer. We don't even take out our all-time highs, but we took out nothing and then we just fucking displaced down so much. Like, is that on the... Okay, that appears on the 30 minute. Is that on the hour? No. Can we take out a 30-minute low? I mean, week's over, so, bro. And then we kind of chop it up, but we're crawling upwards. And I love it. I love it so much. Like, honestly, bro, okay. I didn't take a single trade that week. Honestly, I don't want to end until I actually find something. This is like... I just don't feel fulfilled when I say that shit. Okay, London lows, Asia lows, or highs taken. And then we're leaving both lows. From what I saw, we're like bullish. I don't know why we got that huge wick so close to all-time highs. But I mean, previous week high, that's right there. All-time high, boom. So we want to be bullish. Okay, we've already cleared this gap. If we take our Asia lows, we'll be inside that fair value gap. So, I mean, I guess this makes sense in a way. We came down and took both these 4-hour gaps. We filled both of them. you can't really move that much bullish without getting some kind of move down. And then our overnight, our pre-market shit, not too volatile, which is good. So let's see. Wick up, and then what are we doing? It's not really what you want to see. 10 a.m. non-farm on Tuesday, and that's it. Sweet, no news. As expected. Looks like we're about to surge past this. Okay. We took out nothing. Like literally took out nothing. Okay. But we correct it and we're going back up. When is our... Okay. Should be our 15 minute. Our 15 minute has inversed this gap. And then there's really nothing else that would stop us from going up here. I'm being told that we are being bullish right now. Keep going higher. Is that our all-time high? Our all-time high is up there. So I'd say, let's look. Now, if we wanted to be bearish, I think that's out of the question since we've inversed this gap already. We're all of our 4-hour gaps, they got hit. This one, they get respected. So this is just a displacement down. Now we're correcting it. Trending up. No, bro, we didn't take out any liquidity, which is the only fucking problem, because, I mean, I don't know how we're going to be able to go higher here, but I feel like the only answer is going higher. So what have we done? 15-minute gap tap, reject. Let's see, let's wait for the close. Okay, clearly gap tapped, rejected. Get our retracement in. Okay. I am confident that we head up and take our previous, not only is it our previous day high, well, actually no, because it's Friday. It's our previous week high. We're heading up to take our previous week high right now. Now what have we done? We took these lows, low, tapped our 15-minute gap. We get the rejection. I'm getting told we're going to be super bullish right now. I'm confident that we go up. Hold on. Yeah, okay. Since we didn't take out any other like major liquidity today, I think I can be safe in saying that this is our liquidity target. So I will place this order. Now I want to see, boom, I want to see our previous day, previous week get taken here. We have 17 minutes left. know why we're displacing down. I mean, we're continuing to make these higher highs here. We didn't actually take out that low. I really don't see any reason why we don't go up and take this high out right now. If we want to go higher, we're going to take it. If we want to go lower, we're going to have to take it. Bro, oh my god, why does that have to be my only trade of the day? Or, fuck. I don't, okay, bro. Like, oh my god. For fuck's sake, dude. I just don't understand. It's a fucking... Bro, there's really no reason to leave that. It's fucking one, bro. Oh my god. My only trade of the day, and it's a fucking loss. Just because we decided to chop. Let's start ranging. I mean, there was no liquidity on each one. Bro, I just don't even want to write fucking notes on it because there was really no reason to do what we just did. Why am I getting stopped out there, bro? There's no reason. Tell me otherwise, bro. Like, tell me that we're not bullish. Fuck. Bullish bias. Coming into the day. Previous week, price swept and rejected. Resuming bullish structure. Price inverted 4 hour fair value, 4 hour bearish fair value gap created by huge displacement the week prior. Friday. This displacement filled multiple untapped 4 hour bullish and fair value gaps. With these inefficiencies being mitigated, I was confident that price would now go higher, continuing bullish and seeking liquidity. Previous week high and all-time high were above. Should have good targets that I was sure price would seek. Bro, like, price was trending off open, didn't go down to take London or Asia lows, but the first 15-minute closure inverse the bearish value gap still present from Friday's displacement. Price created a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Price drew back into it and rejected strongly, which made me very confident that we would continue higher to take out previous week high. As soon as I entered the trade, price started chopping and crawled down to my stop loss. I still don't understand how this trade ended up losing despite the numerous strong confluences, bro. Oh my gosh. And now what do we do? Like, I want to see what we fucking do. We can't chop and go a little lower. So we're just gonna leave our previous week high, bro? That makes no sense. After we're so strong bullish. And then what? We just do nothing. We're ranging. Fuck off. Oh my gosh. What's that? Let's see. Oh my god. This fucking chat is done too. I'm out of messages, aren't I? No, I'm not. Oh, I didn't take a screenshot. Fuck. Yeah, okay, let's go to my fucking journal. Bro, did I not journal? Oh, wait. Alright, yeah, let's fucking see, bro. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Why the fuck did this trade lose, bro? Huh? I think it's not understanding, bro. I don't think it understands that, what the fuck, dude? Okay, where's my shit? Why did it go in? Okay. No, I don't want to be in this chart, fucker. God damn it. Bro, what? The 15-minute fair value gap rejection wasn't a strong enough reason to assume continuation? What the fuck do you mean? This isn't a strong enough reason to assume continuation? What? Price create, yeah. Drew back into it and rejected strongly. What do you mean algorithmic mitigation? Well, if price reacts off of a 15-minute fair value gap, where the fuck am I, bro? Where did I just get teleported to? Oh my god, what is wrong with this thing, bro? Oh my god. Okay. So if price does this, rejecting off that 15-minute gap, let's go to the fucking 5-minute. This is it right here, right? No, that's Friday. Where's Monday? Yo. Or is this it? Okay, yeah. So at 10:15. Dude, stop. Oh my god. 10:15. Well, we did break structure higher, actually. The supply was not above though. Bro, is ChatGPT not understanding? The supply was not above. It's saying that this gap here was acting as the fucking supply. Bro, this got inversed during Sunday. This shit is mitigated. This shit isn't, it's not in, like, bro, we obviously fucking reject it. Or not reject. Well, or, yeah, we rejected it, bro. We just displaced right through it. In one candle, fucking one foul swoop, we go up, we retrace a bit, but then we continue up. It's not in play, bro. I guess, bro, no liquidity grab, bro. Does price not just... Price can trend off market open, though. That's not like a crazy thing, I don't think. Is it not? Price can trend straight off market open. So, yeah, no. Internal structure. I mean, dude. Is it... Fucking this 5-minute candle. I don't know, bro. Maybe, I guess I'm just wrong. I won't fucking pout about it too much. I don't really understand. I don't exactly understand how we can just leave that shit. I'm gonna take a trade until I get a win, bro, because I'm tired of being a fucking pussy to the charts. I'm tired of being a little wuss who takes all these stupid losses, bro. I'm gonna take a win. It's gonna be a fucking trade that I'm 100% confident in, and I'm gonna make profits, and I'm gonna fucking make back what I just lost on that trade, because I'm not happy with that. And I'm not gonna be stupid about it. I'm gonna fucking make it back like a real fucking G. I'm not gonna be a fucking wimp. Okay, so what do we have? Well, our Asia lows aren't too far away. Pretty sure Tuesday said that we had news, no? Tuesday, non-farm payroll, so I'm not trading before 10. Great, so that gives us more than enough time to sweep our Asia lows. Because from what I'm seeing, yeah, obviously we're bullish. Okay, so our previous day high is gone. Still, we have our previous week high though in play. All-time highs up here. There's all kinds of shit that we can take. Still pretty bullish. We've kind of slowed down a little bit, so I'll be cautious. I'm just a bit choppy, but we did displace down here, and then clearly we made it through this gap. We're not respecting our bearish gaps. We're sweeping our London lows. I don't really... Okay. The stage is set, bro. Our London lows are gone already, so that's cool. At least we have one thing. If we can take Asia lows, that would be even better. Instead, we're being super fucking indecisive and wicky. I need to break out of this range. So we took these highs, we took these stacked up highs, and now kind of rejected off of them. I mean, this doesn't concern me though, because I'm not trading before 10. Can we take our Asia low? No. Yes, we can. That's our news too. Boom, so our news candle takes our Asia low. Now we also have our data high. So we swept our liquidity. Overall, we are bullish. So I want to see a bullish move higher to finally get that previous week high. Let's see. 4-hour candle says bearish. So we are in kind of a retracement leg. It's not a problem. what have our retracement legs been doing? They're not making lower lows. There's nothing to be scared of here. Now, okay. Instantaneous strong reaction off of taking our Asia low. That's what we want to see. Can we break structure higher here? Or why are we fucking chopping still? This shit pisses me off, I swear. There's no reason to chop. Bro, trying to find a fucking high quality trade is impossible in this. What are we actually doing? There's no direction. How do we have more direction at 6 o'clock than we do during actual fucking market open time, bro? Okay, well, we're not getting our strong reaction higher, so price wants to keep on seeking out liquidity lower. That's what that's telling me. So what do we have lower? Great, we have hourly lows. Boom, right there. That's our closest one. Also happens to be a 4-hour low. That serves as a great fucking target. And it gets taken. But we want to go lower. Or do we? We don't get a strong instantaneous reaction, so yeah, we want to go lower. Where can we go lower to? Oh well, we just took this. There's this. I mean, okay. Devil's mark right here. In this 4-hour candle. Took it. Boom. Took this low. Inefficiency here. Now we're getting a strong reaction up. Instantaneous. We're forming these bullish candles. Except we aren't anymore. Okay. We still want to go lower? No, we don't. Maybe not. Okay, so what have we done? Displaced down. Asia lows gone. These 4-hour lows gone. Inefficiency, bro. This bullish supply zone, this fair value gap, tapped, bro. Mitigated. That shit's out of there now. Well, actually, or we didn't tap it. Whatever. Took our devil's mark though. That's a strong draw, and it's some sell side. Which, okay, so we displaced down and take all of that. And now we're getting this reaction to the upside. And then we just do fucking nothing. Yeah, bro. Next fucking day. God, what is with the price action, bro? God, it does nothing. Oh, then we get our bullish move. I knew it. I fucking knew it. Liquidity swept. Boom. Fucking bottom ticker's wet dream, bro. Literally. Could have took this no drawdown. I knew we would go higher. Bro, maybe I shouldn't be bound to the fucking New York session. Maybe I should start trying to take these aftermarket trades. Because, bro, I knew that we were going to do this. I fucking knew that we were going to go higher. Because we had previous week high, all-time high. Like, I knew it. I fucking knew it. Okay, we had our retracement. We're going, bro. Let's see. Fucking zero reason. Unless this is our liquidity target. From what I'm seeing, we're not rejecting off of it, though. There is zero reason to not go to all-time high. In my opinion. There is zero fucking reason. What do we have? We have this fair. Well, I don't think we're even at where we should be at. So let's go there. Oh, fuck me. That's our fucking news. CPI. Okay. Data highs and data lows from CPI. What have we done? Boom. Took liquidity. Well, took our all-time high. So now we make our new all-time high. Gonna want to be bullish. All of the lower time frame shit is saying yes, 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 bullish, bullish, bullish. Yes, bullish. Zero reason not be bullish. Now we just need to draw on liquidity. Well, we could draw down to our data lows. We have our London lows. We have our Asia lows. Boom, valuable draws. London lows are or not London lows, our data lows are the most attainable. And they're from super high impact news, so that's great. So what I want, displace down, grab our data lows, maybe even our session lows, and then up. Because we have data high, which is also all-time high. This is textbook if it plays out the way I want it to. Wow. Come on. You know you want it, bro. Boom. Data lows took. Do we reject instantly, though? It's not looking like we will, so we probably want to draw down lower. Yep, let's see it. Come on, lower. Go lower. What the fuck? Well, this hourly gap got filled. Fill. What are we doing? Well, we're looking at a reaction now, although it didn't happen fast, which is kind of worrying me. That couldn't have been our liquidity target. I don't think data lows were the target, because I don't think we're just going to chop up and do that after taking a liquidity like that. We're just doing nothing now, bro. This could have been so textbook if it fucking played out the way I wanted it to. Unfortunately, it doesn't. Price action has other fucking shit in store for me. We're just doing nothing. Fucking nothing. Oh my god. We can. Okay, dump, take data lows, nothing. We do nothing. Fuck off. My god, bro. It's an unbearable price action. Is it because of the date I'm trading? I know lots of people said September price action was fucking dog shit. Is that the reason why? Well, I mean, I'm just not going to take trades then. I'm not trading if I don't see the shit I want to see. Okay, now let's see, bro. What do we do when we took these Asian and London lows? Strong reaction up? Not really. Fuck off. Whatever, next day, bro, I don't care. So he wanted to go lower. What was lower? Why are we wicking so hard? So buns. Whatever. Doesn't concern me anymore. Next fucking day. I don't know how we just dump to take out liquidity, but then we do nothing from it. It's kind of, frankly, it's really fucking annoying. Okay. Data lows are gone. Data highs are gone. London lows are gone. London highs are gone. We have Asia lows. That's it. That's our draw. Although, it doesn't have to be, because we took out data lows. London lows are gone. So we've taken out liquidity already in the pre-market, which is good. We went through a retracement, getting all these inefficiencies. What do we have? Previous day high is also all-time high. On the hour. So obviously freaking bullish. Gap respected. Gap disrespected this bearish one. There are no bearish gaps on the way up to all-time highs that could possibly disrupt us. This gap just got respected. This one too. So our inefficiencies out of the picture. Nothing. What do we do now? We go to liquidity. Well, what did our data do? Took out London lows. Asia lows. Well, they're not going, but does it matter? I mean, no, it's taking out liquidity. So what's the logical next step here? We go higher because we're bullish. So logically, we go higher. Looks like we want to seek out some liquidity. Okay, let's do it, bro. I'm fine with that. If it's gonna make us go higher, let's fucking do it. This gap tapped, respected. Inverse. Inverse. Looks like we're back in bullish structure. What do you know? We did take that low out. Now where's that appearing on our grand scheme here? I mean, not really anywhere. So it's some low resting liquidity that we took out. The main liquidity was taken out in pre-market. That's the fucking main thing here. Data lows are going. London lows are going. We have fuel to go higher. I am confident that we will go higher. There's no reason to not do so. We're in bullish structure once again on the lower time frame. That aligns with our higher time frame structure. I'm looking for gap creation here, but we don't have anything really, so we're just gonna have to go with what we got here. Now we're slowing down a little bit. Now we're not. Boom. Now we did wick, so let's see. Do we have a reaction in store? Yes, we do. A pretty strong one for some reason. Maybe going out, taking liquidity so we can get our next move higher. Or maybe it's so that we can just fucking chop it up the rest of the day. At this point, I cannot see price going lower. I'm going to be fucking dead ass. I'm so dead ass. Like, breaking out of this range now. I'm confident in this fucking trade, bro. Like, I am confident. I will risk heavy. I am that confident that we are going to go higher. That's been taken. That's fucking been, that shit's been touched. Yeah, that's... Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done, bro. I'm done. Just for laughs, let's see where it goes. Oh, straight to my fucking target. Oh my god. Huh. Yeah. Oh my god. Dude. I love it. I fucking love it. So it's my risk management. Great, so if this trade was a 1-to-1, it would have hit. But no, I had it here because I had it like right here. And then I get ticked out, and then it goes straight to my fucking... We just retrace for the fun of it too. We don't take out any liquidity to go higher. We just do it for the fucking love of the game. Oh my god. Like this. Well, what did I say, bro? I was 100% confident that we'd go to all-time highs. What do? We go to all-time highs. No fucking shit. Yeah, bro. I'm done.